Hello everyone, this is the first video of this channel, and by seeing the thumbnail you might have even guessed which book I am talking about. So I am talking about Fundamentals of Physical Geography, Class 11 Geography NCERT, which we usually also refer to for understanding geography for prelims. But let's see if I'm right or wrong. So this is 2023 official question of UPSC prelims. You see the first statement, seismograph in seismograph P waves record earlier than S waves. You see here, this is a diagram from NCERT of seismograph. You see P waves, they are recorded earlier than S waves. So this statement becomes correct. And then second statement has two component. एक में वो way of propagation, way of vibration पूछ रहे हैं P waves का, दूसरे में S waves का. And particles of P waves, they vibrate in the direction of wave. It is saying this. यहाँ पे देखो, this is the cutting from NCERT. P waves vibrate parallel to the direction of wave. Right? This component becomes correct. Then they are asking S waves जो हैं उसके जो particles है they vibrate up and down at the right angles. You see here direction of vibration of S waves are perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree and also mean right angle. So this also becomes right, and the answer is both 1 and 2. You see 2024 UPSC prelims question, and 1 second, I have to check if mic is working or not. You know, sometimes it gets turned off by itself. Anyways, so 2024 prelims question. It says thickness of troposphere at the equator is much greater as compared to poles, and you see this line, thickness of troposphere is greatest at equator. Till here it is directly from NCERT, and because heat is transported to great heights by strong conventional currents, this is the second statement. This also becomes correct, and also it becomes the correct explanation of statement 1. Then which one of the following is correct regarding isothermal map? तो isothermal maps के बारे में NCERT में भी दिया हुआ है. This statement is directly this. खुद पढ़ के देख लो. You can pause the video and read the statement. These two are exact statements. And when you see the second statement, the presence of cold ocean currents, Gulf Stream and North Atlantic drift, this statement is directly from here. Just they have replaced the word of warm with cold. ये प्रेजेंस ऑफ कोल्ड, यहाँ पे कोल्ड है और इधर वार्म है, और इधर वार्मर लिखा है, इधर कोल्डर लिख दिया है. अदरवाइज दीज टू आर एग्जैक्ट सेम. यू सी 2025 prelims question, and what is the evidence of continental drift theory, and this is cutting from NCERT again. This is the first statement directly. इधर का फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट रीड करो, इधर का फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट रीड करो. The belt of ancient rocks from Brazil coast matches with those from Western Africa. Exact. The second statement is from the third paragraph. The second statement says gold deposits of Ghana derived from Brazil plateau. इधर क्या लिखा है? Ghana are derived from Brazil plateau when two continents laid side by side. इधर same statement. This statement is same as this. Now you see third point. Third point is same as this. The Gondwana system of sediments from India known to have its counterparts, same, exact, right? So the point is NCERT को line by line पढ़ना काफ़ी ज़रूरी हो जाता है. Now you see 2025 2 CDS examination which is also conducted by UPSC, and it held only yesterday. कल ही ये एग्ज़ाम हुआ है, UPSC ही कंडक्ट कराता है. And seeing UPSC CDS examination, just seeing it also tells us the focus area of UPSC. So UPSC का जो focus है, देखो रिक्टर स्केल पे क्वेश्चन पूछा है. इधर ये NCERT का कटिंग है measuring earthquakes. Richter scale is the intensity scale they are saying. Here it is written magnitude scale is known as Richter scale. This statement becomes incorrect because intensity scale का नाम है Mercalli or whatever you call it. And the second statement says Richter indicates the amount of energy. So magnitude is related to energy released during the quake. This is correct, right? So 2 only is the answer. Then let's see this question. This question is about Coffin's का जो climate scheme है हमारा उससे related है. You see, first statement is this: annual precipitation is low and is around 15 centimeter. Same directly from here. The development of pronounced winter and anticyclone and its weakening in summer sets in monsoon like reversal of wind in this region. Same statement. इसको read करो and pause and read this from here till here, like इधर से इधर तक second statement is there. The third statement says poleward summer temperature are lower. Poleward summer temperature are low. So the climate is cold climate with dry winters. Cold climate with dry winters is the answer. So my point of making this video was to tell you how important is geography NCERT. But what are the issues with NCERT of geography? The content is quite scattered because there is lack of explanation. They have just written lines and not explained them well. You might have also experienced the same. I have also experienced the same. And also there are absence of diagrams because you know geography requires a lot of imagination. So I think diagrams were required, and they are essential part of geography which are missing in NCERT, and in order to make it compressed, I think they have omitted some essential things out of it. And because of this there is difficulty in retention, and result becomes that we end up scoring low in exam, which is low output in exam. So the solution that I offer is 3E, which is explain, engage and evaluate. I will explain the NCERT on YouTube for free to explain this scattered content and also make it engaging with the help of diagrams, because I will include diagrams in my sessions or whatever you call them. And then you evaluate yourself and see if the output remains low or it becomes high. Now let's talk of the conclusion or the outro of this video. You know, the point of making this video was not to promote my own YouTube channel. It was also to spread awareness regarding resource for geography. You know, let me take this. You know, whenever we talk of resource for UPSC, we end up getting answer like you can also refer to PMFIS, Majid Hussain book, right? And I think we, you know, despite of even hard work, we do not get results. The reason is that we are not working hard in right direction. If you are someone who can, you know, who can study NCERT, geography NCERT by yourself, I request, please do not waste time in lectures, even my lectures. Just do NCERT by yourself, learn it by heart, and you know, score better in exam. But you know, there are two things. Sorry for being unstructured because this is my first video and also I'm getting nervous. Anyways, so there are two things in any exam, especially UPSC. One front is conceptual clarity. Another one is revision, retention, whatever you call it, retention, right? For conceptual clarity, PMFIS ke diagrams are good. I have referred to diagrams of PMFIS. Sometimes I have also referred to their explanation. That is also good. But when it comes to retention, retaining, how much you can retain and go in exam, this is कि कितना आप याद कर सकते हो और एग्ज़ाम में उसको लेके जा सकते हो, that is another thing. So अगर आपको NCERT समझनी है, so PMFIS can be one of, I'm saying one of good resources. I'm not saying the only resource. I'm not saying it is not good at all. I'm saying it can help you in better understanding of NCERT. Same goes with Majid Hussain. I have not personally referred to it, so I cannot comment much on it. But my point is, अगर आपको सिर्फ 120 pages around 120 pages के NCERT याद करनी है, so your only focus should be NCERT. Focus should be NCERT, and in order to understand NCERT, you can also refer to videos. You can also refer to say diagrams, You can also refer to some other material, maybe PMFIS or maybe Majid Hussain, but your central focus should be NCERT. Your conceptual clarity should be centered around NCERT. Your retention should be only NCERT. All right. And as I know, the importance of retention and the importance of conceptual clarity, because I myself, I am also an aspirant. I am not a geography expert, so I will only explain जितनी geography काफ़ी है आपको UPSC prelims clear करने के, and even मुझे UPSC prelims clear करने के. Whenever I read by myself, I'm not able to understand it well, but whenever I teach, because teaching is also one of my, hobby, passion, whatever you call it. So whenever I teach, I retain better, and whenever I will also help you guys in understanding the NCERT. That is my point of making this channel. We'll learn together, we'll grow together. You can watch my videos. If you find my explanation good, you can stick to those videos. Otherwise, you can also refer to some other resources which I have said, or you can also refer to any other resources which you know कि जो NCERT को अच्छे से explain कर सकता है. But since the weightage of geography is increasing, और UPSC is focusing more on NCERT, मैंने अपनी तरफ से कुछ ऐड नहीं किया है. ये डायरेक्ट NCERT के स्क्रीनशॉट हैं. यू कैन इवन रेफर टू NCERT. सब NCERT से ये क्वेश्चंस UPSC के हैं. आई हैव नॉट, मैंने खुद से कुछ ऐड नहीं किया है. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई एम सेइंग योर फोकस शुड बी NCERT. Your focus should be NCERT, and I'm not here to defame anyone. I'm not here to tell you कि PMFIS तो बहुत बुरा है या माजिद हुसैन की बुक नहीं करनी चाहिए. No, they are working hard. They are helping aspirants. What I am saying to you is to just focus on NCERT and use these things as aid या catalyst, and not as a means. And do not make them a means. Make them a means and not end in itself. Your end in itself is NCERT, right? Make these as a means to understand NCERT. The end is NCERT, and it has to be NCERT. All right. And the first chapter which we are going to start on YouTube is minerals. It is about rocks. So minerals and rocks is the first chapter which we are going to focus. And I'll upload the first part today itself. I hope you guys like the video and my explanation. Thank you for watching.